This photograph shows really the first significant aviation event on the Isle of Man. This is the first manned flight on the Isle of Man. This, as you can see, is 10th of November 1902, and it's a balloon. It's not a hot air balloon, it's a gas balloon. And if you can see bottom left of the picture, there's a sort of S-shaped snaking object leading out of the photo. And that's actually a pipe connected to the mains gas in Douglas. And that's what this thing was filled with. So you've got a thing like a hydrogen bomb planted somewhere near where the sea terminal is now. And I guess with a good bit of magnification, you could probably see that quite a few of the people watching this thing are smoking. So it's quite a miracle that there wasn't a desperate calamity. Anyway, the thing did take off and it disappeared because it was very much at the whim of the prevailing wind at the time. I think it disappeared off towards Cumbria. There were warships stationed at strategic intervals across the Irish Sea, just in case it decided to deflate and come down. Luckily it didn't, and so that was the first manned flight.